This looks
UGC
amazing.
ad made from Storyboard with AI 100% free. Firstly, I made a storyboard image, then made that image into AI UGC video within 1 minute. Firstly, come to my master prompt and copy this entire image generation prompt. Then come to ChatGPT, then from prompt box upload your model image and your product image as well. You can also upload your own photo too. After upload will be completed, paste that copied prompt and submit. ChatGPT will start generating entire storyboard within a minute. Here, storyboard is ready. Let's see it. This is awesome, right? 100% matched with my uploaded character and product. Full consistent in every scene. Download it. So, we will now generate this storyboard into video. Come back to my master prompt and copy video prompt. Now come back to ChatGPT and upload this storyboard image and paste entire prompt and submit. You will find the storyboard prompt in description. You will get the prompt for 100% free. And here, after submit it, ChatGPT will write entire video prompt. Copy this prompt and come to Google Flow AI. Log in to Google Flow and start a new project. Now click on this plus button, then select Upload Media button. Now upload that storyboard image we generated with ChatGPT. When upload will be completed, click on Add to Prompt button and paste that copied ChatGPT prompt in this box. Now select Video, then Integrations, 16:9 aspect ratio, then 1x, and you must select Omni Flash Model. Duration 10 seconds. Finally submit and wait for a few minutes. In the meantime, if you find my video helpful, please like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. Our video is ready. Let's check it.
This looks amazing.
Awesome, right? And if it was real size, then it will look like this.
This looks amazing.
Check video description for full master prompt, what is completely free. So like this video, comment, share, and subscribe. You can download this video from download button. And I recommend you to also watch this full video too. Thank you for watching.